Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix FaceTime not working issue on iPhone. So guys, if you are facing this problem and you don't know that how can you fix this problem. So guys, in this video I will show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So first of all guys, you have to just simply open settings. From here guys, scroll it below and locate for FaceTime. So guys, simply tap on it, and after that you have to enable FaceTime from here, and after that open journal, scroll it below, then tap on shutdown and shut down your iPhone to 15 to 20 seconds, and after that open your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there, then you have to just simply open settings again, scroll it down, then here tap on journal, then tap on software update and make sure that there is no update on your device. If there have any update, then simply update it first and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then simply go back, and after that scroll it down, then here you can see transfer or reset iPhone. So guys, simply tap on it. Now after that guys, tap on here reset, and after that reset network setting, tap on it, and after that simply enter your iPhone passcode, and after that simply reset your network setting for one time, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys, hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.